Meaning of dregs.
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 Dregs. The word dregs refers to the remnants of a liquid or substance that settle at the bottom of a container. It typically refers to the undesirable or worthless portion of a substance, such as the sediment in a cup of coffee or the last bit of wine left in a bottle. These remnants are often considered unpleasant or unwanted, and can be discarded or used in a lesser capacity. In some cases, the term dregs may be used more broadly to describe anything that is considered low quality or undesirable.